Welcome, everyone. Let me tell you something, not as a teacher, not as a coach, not as an expert, but as a human being who understands exactly how it feels to be afraid to speak. Maybe you've studied English for years. Maybe you know grammar rules, vocabulary, sentence structures. But when it's time to speak, your heart beats fast, your mouth goes dry, your mind goes blank and fear takes over. You're not alone. Millions of English learners feel this fear every single day. They're scared of saying the wrong word, scared of being laughed at, scared of being judged, scared of sounding foolish. But listen closely. This is not your fault. And more importantly, this fear can be fixed. This video is not like the others. You won't hear boring grammar rules. You won't hear fake motivation. What you're about to hear are 9 powerful, life-changing steps that will destroy your fear of speaking English and give you the confidence to speak English anytime, anywhere, with anyone. These steps are not random tips. They are based on real psychology, real practice, and real emotional rewiring. They are designed to help you feel safe, strong, and free when you speak English. And yes, you will also learn how to train your brain to feel confident, train your mouth to speak clearly, use real-life speaking techniques, build unstoppable fluency, speak even when you make mistakes. This is the kind of video that changes your life, not just your language. So, I want to ask you, please watch till the end. Don't skip anything because every second of this video is built to help you speak English fearlessly. And if you truly want to transform your English, subscribe to our channel right now because we are building the most honest, most powerful and most beginner-friendly English learning community in the world. No judgment, no pressure, only growth. Now, let's begin with the first step that can completely change your mindset about speaking English. Step 1. Name the fear and face it like a mirror. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly you freeze? Your mind goes blank. Your body feels tight. You feel embarrassed, and inside your head a voice screams, "What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? What if I sound stupid?" That voice is not your enemy. That voice is fear. And before we destroy fear, we must first face it. Because here's the truth. You are not bad at English. You are just scared to use it. And fear doesn't come from poor grammar. Fear comes from shame, judgment, and emotional pain from your past. Maybe someone laughed at your English in school. Maybe someone made you feel stupid when you tried to speak. Maybe you compare yourself to others and feel like you're not good enough. That fear became a wall that stops your words, a wall that blocks your voice. And today, you break that wall. Say your fear out loud. Yes. Speak it just like this. I'm afraid they will laugh at me. I feel nervous when I speak.